Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today I got another fun one for you, and this one is definitely by community request. We're going to teach you guys, we're going to show you guys how to mine some pirate chain. Arrr! That's right guys, we're going to show you how to mine some Arrr! A-R-R-R-R pirate chain. We're going to walk you through how to mine it poolside. We're going to walk you through how to solo mine it. Show you a couple other things on what we do with anything what we're mining, whether it's with an ASIC, whether it's with the GPU, it doesn't matter. So, first things first, if you guys are new to the channel, now's a good time to hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. The reason you want to do that is that way you can keep up with all our shenanigans out here at the GPU mining farm, all our other how-to videos, lots of other fun shenanigans. Also, you're going to want to comment down below, give us a thumbs up if you like this, if this worked out good for you. Comment down below, let us know how long you've been mining Arrr or that pirate chain, what you're mining it on. We're going to show you how to mine this on Z9 minis, but you can do that with any of your EquiHash ASICs. So we're really excited about getting into this video. So without further ado, let's show you guys how to mine pirate chain. Arrr! As always, guys, in the description down below, we're going to have links to all this stuff. What's most important is for you guys to do your own research. Really, guys, it's going to be pretty easy. A couple things you're going to need to do. First thing is you're going to need to get a wallet, and that's pretty easy over at Pirate Chain. Or actually, it's pirate.black. We'll have a link for you guys in the description down below. They're going to show you everything you need how to get started. They're also going to show you where to get a wallet as well as exchanges. I'm not going to walk you through the process of getting a wallet. You guys should already have that. But a couple other things that you'll see over here on pirate.black. And guys, it's very important for you guys to do your own research. You're going to be able to see everything on what Pirate Chain's all about, all the fun shenanigans there. But that's not what I'm here to talk with you guys about. I am not here to explain Pirate Chain to you. We're here to show you how to mine Arrr. And reason that we wanted to do that, well, something that we saw here recently over on CoinMarketCap. If you guys are not familiar with CoinMarketCap, you really should be. But we're going to head over here and kind of scroll down a little bit. And within the last month, you can see that pirate, that Arrr, 41 cents back in April. 41 cents back in April, guys. I hope you guys were mining this well beforehand. If you guys were putting these in the bag, you guys should be loaded. But 41 cents back in April. Peaked at about, what do we got here? 1684, guys. And we're currently at 1153 per Arrr. So when you guys are mining this Arrr and putting it in the bag, this could be definitely one of the most profitable things to mine right now with those Z9 minis. When I say Z9 minis, something that you could be mining with, something like this right here. You could have a Z15 as well. You could have Z9s. Lots of different EquiHash ASICs that you guys can be putting on this pirate chain. But like we said, this thing is going parabolic through the roof. I hope you guys have cashed in beforehand. In the description down below, we'll have links to everything. Couple things though, guys. It does appear to be that there's still an issue with Pirate Chain as far as SiteX and GraveX exchanges. They have not yet updated their Arrr wallets. This is from over on CoinMarketCap. This is actually from over a month ago. So please use caution when you're doing your trading and make sure that you're mining to an address, a wallet address like pirate.black /wallets recommend. And if you're sending it to an exchange, make sure your the exchange is actually up and running. Lots of fun different wallets that you can get here. We're going to have descriptions for all of these in the links down below. So we're getting closer to show you guys how to mine pirate this Arrr chain. Anytime we're doing any type of mining, I am going to send you over to miningpoolstats.stream. Couple of reasons we're going to do that. One is you're going to be able to see the different pools. You got to know where you got to point your miners at, guys. Two, you're going to be able to see if it's a solo pool or regular pool. We've talked with you guys a lot about different things on solo mining. Later on in this video, we're going to actually show you how to solo mine this Arrr. Also going to show you the type of pool payouts, minimum payouts, miners online, 7-day history, hash rate, all sorts of different things. So that's why I like miningpoolstats.stream. Couple things that you want to do definitely with the mining pools. You do want to be close. Find a mining pool that's close to you as far as your location. You know, someone here in the United States probably does not want to mine all the way over to Japan, vice versa, but that might be your only option. But the closer you are to the mining pool or the server, the better chances you are of securing coins in your bag, finding shares pay bills, right? Also, you're going to be able to check out in the description down below CoinX. That is going to be a place where you are able to exchange that. Arrr, guys. So, first things first, head over to miningpoolstats.stream. Find your mining pool. Well, you got to have an ASIC first to be able to mine this. One of those ASICs. Like I said, we're going to show you how to do this on a Z9 Mini. Once you are at at miningpoolstats.stream and you pick your mining pool, we did go ahead and, since I'm here in the US, we did pick piratepool.us. Man, here's another reason why we picked it. Check this out. Check out this dashboard, man. Arrr, if you guys are not in the mood for mining and putting some booty in that bag, I don't know what will. But when you're over here at piratepool.us, you're going to go ahead and click on the Get Started tab. But you can kind of scroll down here and they talk with you a little bit. They show you how many miners are here. It'll show you the cost per Arrr for that pirate chain coin. Also shows you can hit them up on Gmail and Discord, guys. Discord's the place. In the description down below, you can hit that Not Your Normal Miner Discord. But that's where you're going to be able to get all sorts of information. Couple things that you need to know. First of all, your wallet. You should already have that. Next thing is you're going to want to find your port over here. Well, you want low, medium, or high. I'm going to leave that up to you guys here to be finding different shares. Now, you are going to need to connect to the dashboard of your ASIC. I'm not going to walk you guys through that. You should already know how to do that. But if you're under miner stats, it kind of shows you where you're currently hashing at. You can go to miner configuration, and this is what you really need here. This is what you're going to need to change. So, if we were going to mine on over here on piratepool.us, first things first, we would want to copy and paste our address here into the worker right here. Copy and paste this. This is where your users might vary. This is going to be different. Your address is going to be different than mine. And then the next up here is going to be the pool URL you're going to want to do. Well, we just showed you where to get that, guys. That's this right here. piratepool.us :2777 if you wanted to hit that pool. If you wanted to find a different mining pool, then you're going to head over to miningpoolstats.stream, click on one of these pools, and you got to find that URL. Once you get that plugged in, your password can be anything. You're going to go ahead and click save down here at the bottom. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. You guys are mining that Arrr. Once you've got that punched in and it's all set up, and you can head over to miner stats and you actually see that you're hashing, then you will go over to poolside and you're going to want to go ahead and click on the stats tab. You click on the stats, and that's that stats tab, and this is where you can copy and paste your miner and then hit look up. It'll take a few minutes for you to start to submit shares. Once you start to submit shares, you'll show up. 5 minutes, 15 minutes tops, guys. So what we've been walking you through is how to mine that pirate, that Arrr here, with your Equihash miner. We've been showing you how to do it with the Z9 Mini. We showed you guys so far how to pick your pool. So we showed you that piratepool.us was what we were just showing you at here as far as a pool for standard mining. And what I mean by standard mining is when a block is found, depending on your shared hash rate, you're going to earn your percentages. So now let's talk with you guys about solo mining that Arrr. Super simple, guys. You're going to find your solo mining pool. Since we're in the US, I want a pool that's close to us, a server that's close to us. We did click piratepool.us. Once again, we're going to go ahead and click on that piratepool.us solo. Once we click on that, that's going to open up a whole new tab. Now this is where you got to kind of do your own research as well and kind of figure out things. But you go through here and you can read up a little bit more. You're going to see, you're going to want to find the Getting Started tab. When you find that Getting Started tab, a couple things we're looking for again is we need a pool URL. Boom. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. We'll scroll that up there a little bit. So now that we've got a pool URL, once again, we're going to head back to our miner that we want to go. When your miner stats is going, it's going to show here that it's hashing. You can hit miner configuration, and this is where you're going to copy and paste your worker address. So this is your pirate or that Arrr. This is that address. Super simple. If you want to label them, you can also hit at the end of your address dot or period, and then whatever you wanted to label your worker as. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put that pool URL that you copy and paste from right here into your URL up here. Copy and paste that and hit save. Once you hit save, then you are mining. It will eventually come back to your miner status page, here, and you should see that you're mining, showing your frequencies and such, your hash rate, your kilosouls, all those good things there. If that's up and running, then you are able to head back to piratesolo.com, and if you want to find your worker stats, well, this is easy. You click on the link up here, and this is where you put your miner lookup. You hit copy, paste that. That's your wallet address. Copy and paste that in right there. And when that's in like Flynn, you're ready to go. Then it'll eventually show you that you are mining there. So if you wanted to see us do that, let's go ahead and copy and paste our address from right here. And we will put that over here on the workers tab so you guys can actually see what it looks like when you are hashing. Takes a little bit for that to go ahead and pop up, but what I like is, and if you label your different workers, you're going to be able to see during different times of the day their hash rates and such. Here's your immature balance. We are solo mining currently for that Arrr. It's going to take some time for us to find a block. Solo mining may not, we don't recommend solo mining. Reason we don't recommend it is because you can go for days, weeks, months, or years and not finding anything. If you aren't finding anything, you're not getting paid. Now, if you want to go for it and try to get some serious gains, hey, we got lots of other videos that you can check out from the channel to talk with you about solo mining. But whether you're solo mining or you're putting it in a regular standard mining, that pirate chain, once you get to your dashboard, you're going to see that you're hashing. That's what you need to do. So, we've walked you guys through how to mine that pirate chain. In the description down below, we got links to everything. You'll be able to head over to pirate.black. That's really where you want to do your most important research. It's very important for you guys to do your own research. You're also going to be able to head over to coinmarketcap.com. We got links in the description down below for all of this stuff. You want to head over to miningpoolstats.stream /pirate chain as well. There's some different exchanges that are having issues. We talked with you guys about that. We've been walking you through how to do everything associated with mining pirate chain. Comment down below. Let us know if you like that video. Give us a couple thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscription icon, not over there in the upper right hand corner. Hit that that channel bell as well so you guys can keep up with everything else. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video on how to mine pirate chain. Hope you're hitting that Arrr. Hope you've been mining pirate for quite some time. You should be putting heavy coins in the bag. My name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. Thanks for your time.